Welcome back students to our social studies class. Today we are going to learn about the climate of our country. Chapter number 11, Climate of India. Children, look here. This is our mind map of this chapter, Climate of India. We are going to study in this chapter the difference between weather and climate, seasons, and which all are the seasons in India. So what do you mean by a weather? Weather is a condition of the air over a particular time. And what is a climate? It is the average weather of a place for many years. So that's the difference between weather and climate. Weather is only for a particular time. Climate is for a longer period. And seasons. We have 4 seasons generally. What are they? Spring, summer, autumn, winter, like that. But in India, we have only these 3. Winter season, summer season and monsoon season. So let's see. You might have noticed that in the place where you live, sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's windy, sunny or foggy. What exactly the changes in all these places? Sometimes the conditions are different and you may notice that within a day or within an hour the conditions completely changed. Today morning it was so cloudy, but now it's sunny. So weather is defined as the change in condition of a place, which may change from hour to hour or day to day or even minute to minute. So today morning when I came to school, it was rainy and cloudy. Now it's actually sunny. Now it's actually sunny outside. So that means weather will be changing minute to minute or day to day or hour to hour. So that's what called by weather. Weather is defined as the change in condition of a place which may change from hour to hour or day to day or even minute to minute. So that's why sometimes you may have sunny day or partially sunny or partially cloudy or both sunny and both rain will be there, or it may rain, sometimes thunderstorms, snowing will be there in mountains, high mountains, rainfalls and wind condition. This all will be changing from minute to minute. So weather of a place changes from minute to minute or hour to hour or day to day or season to season, depending on the temperature, rainfall and the wind condition. Understood? So weather of a place will change from minute to minute, hour to hour, day to day or season to season, depending on the temperature, rainfall and the wind condition. For example, take your phone and check today's weather. It will show you today is a sunny day. This is the temperature of this particular place, or whether is there any chances of raining today or not. Now let's see about climate. What do you mean by climate? When we have discussed about physical divisions of our country, do you remember that? We know each physical divisions have different climate, isn't it? When we check northern mountains, they have very cold climate. When we check western desert, there we saw that they having it's a hot place and how the climate it is there. Similarly, different parts of our country experience different climatic conditions. Usual conditions of these areas are different from one another. Now let's take a look at the map. So look here children, Rajasthan. This state comes under western desert, isn't it? So here in this place Rajasthan, they receive very less rainfall. Usual climate of this place is hot and dry temperature, isn't it? Now let's see the Maharashtra. Now let's see the next place, Maharashtra. Here this place receives hot and wet climate. That means it has hot and humid temperature, and also it receives lots of rainfall. And let's see what about this Jammu and Kashmir and also Ladakh region. Well, usually in this place it is very cold out there. That means the usual temperature of this place is very cold. So we can define the term climate. Climate of a place is defined as the weather conditions prevailing in the area in general or over a long period. So what do you mean by a climate? The climate of a place is defined as the weather condition prevailing in an area in general or over a long period. That is, generally or a long period, the type of weather condition of a place faces its climate of that place. Do you know, based on the climate of that particular place, we people build houses? Yes, houses are built according to the climate of that particular area or particular place. For example, Shimla. Shimla is a hill station and it receives snowfall. The houses built there with slanting roof. What do you mean by a slanting roof? Just like this, a slanting roof. How it works? It helps the snow to slide and fall down easily. We can see these types of houses in the places where they receives snowfalls and rainfalls heavily. Do you know, a year is divided into seasons based on the pattern of changing weather. Do you all know that? And seasons are caused by the earth being closer or farther away from the sun. Generally, how many seasons do we have? Do we have around the world? Yes, we have winter season, spring, summer, monsoon, autumn. But in our country, what other seasons do we have? Yes, we have summer season, monsoon season and winter season. In other countries, people have spring season and also autumn season. In Europe and also in United States, now they have this is an autumn season, otherwise known as fall season. And these climate plays a major role in our daily life. Our food habits, clothing and our lifestyles depends upon the climate. Isn't it? Am I correct? We know that our country is blessed with different landforms and we also know each place experience different climatic conditions. The places in the plains and desert are hot, but in the mountains they are experiencing cold climate. So we have main three climate in our country. What are they? Winter season, summer season and monsoon season. Now let's see about winter season. In India, generally from December till February is our winter season. Do you know, the weather during this season is very cold and dry with the temperature dipping below 15 degrees Celsius in some places. And do you know, in northern mountains, the temperature can dip below 0 degrees Celsius and they experience heavy snowfalls. Let's take to another landform, in the plains and hill stations. In the plains and hill stations, people experience fog and frost. And also one more thing children, during winter season, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. And what type of clothes do we prefer to wear in winter season? Yes, we prefer to wear woolen clothes to keep our body warm. So we will be wearing sweaters, gloves, shawls, scarves, etc. And what type of food we love to eat during winter time? Yes, we have to keep our body farm, so we prefer to have hot food items like soup, tea, coffee, then gajar ka halwa, so and so, isn't it? And one more question I want to ask you. Which place in our country is the coldest place? Dras in Western Ladakh is the coldest place in our country. Do you all know that? And during winter, the temperature of this place dips to -4 degrees Celsius. That means very cold. So children, that's all about winter. Now let's discuss about summer season. So in India, the summer season starts from March till May. So that time we are getting our summer vacations, isn't it? So during this time, the temperature is very high and the weather becomes very hot. And do you know, sometimes the temperature rises above 45 degrees Celsius. Let's see the temperature in northern plains. In northern plains, hot and dry winds called Lu. What it is called? Lu. Blow during daytime. But in the northern mountains, the weather remains cold. While in the southern part of our country, like our South India, these part experiences warm and humid condition. It's very hot. And do you know, during summer, the days are longer than the night. So it is lengthy. The days will be very lengthy than comparing to night. And tell me children, what type of dress you prefer to wear during summer season? From LKG onwards we are learning about this, isn't it? We prefer to wear cotton clothes, t-shirt, shorts and cotton salwar kameez like that to beat the summer heat. And also during this time we prefer to have watermelon, cherries, grapes, lychees and mangoes. And also, do you all like ice cream? I do. During summertime, we have lots of ice cream to keep our body cool, isn't it? And also we consume cold drinks and also fruit juices. And do you know children, during this time, we have to keep our body hydrated. And also don't go out during this time because of the sunburn. We have to keep our body hydrated all the time during summer. And tell me children, which are the hottest places in India during summer? Do you know? It's Churu and Bikaner in Rajasthan. So that's all about summer. The next season we are going to discuss is about monsoon. Yes, otherwise known as what? Rainy season. So from which month onwards rainy season starts? Yes, the monsoon season or otherwise known as rainy season starts from June and continues till August. Do you know in some places the post-monsoon rainfall occurs till November? And which state received monsoon rainfall at first? Do you know children which state? Yes, Kerala. They receive the rainfall at first. And do you know the eastern part of our country experience heavy rainfall? Which place in our country receives heavy rainfall? Do you know which place? Yes, Mawsynram in Shillong. That is in Meghalaya. They get the maximum rainfall in the world. And let's see about the dress, how we wear. What are the dresses we are gonna wear during monsoon? How we dress ourselves during monsoon? Yes, we use raincoats and also umbrella while going out. And the climate will be so cold, so we wear woolen clothes like sweaters to keep ourselves warm. Children, in our country, agriculture is our chief occupation, isn't it? And this agriculture completely, they depends on monsoon to get rain, which helps in irrigation. In the last 2 years, we heard the news about heavy flood in Kerala, Karnataka and Assam and now Hyderabad. Sometimes excessive rain leads to flood, while the lack of rainfall causes drought. So you know that the seasons play a major role in our living and everything depends upon each other, isn't it? So that's all about this chapter, Climates of India. Now let's do a quick recap of this chapter. So we have discussed about the difference between weather and climate. So what do you mean by a weather? It's a condition of the air only for a particular time. It can change from minute to minute, day to day, and also it can change. In morning would be like foggy, and after 10 o'clock you can see the sunny, just like that. Evening it might be raining. So that's what. So the weather condition will be changing minute to minute or hour to hour or also day to day. And climate, it's the average weather of a place for many years. That condition, the climate will be like that during this particular year. That particular month it will be like this. We already know that. So that's the difference between weather and climate. And seasons. What do you mean by a season? A year is divided into seasons based on the pattern of changing weather. And why we are facing seasons, why we are getting seasons? It because seasons are caused by the earth being closer and also or further away from the sun. So that's why we are getting seasons. And so generally around the world there are how many seasons? There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. But in our country there are the 3 main seasons of our country are summer, monsoon and winter season. So in these seasons we wear different kinds of clothing, and for example woolen clothes in winter, cotton clothes in summer, and during monsoon season we will wear raincoats and also umbrellas. And the food people eat, it depends on the climate of that region where they live. And which place receives the highest rainfall? In Meghalaya, in Shillong. Which place it is? Yes, Mawsynram. That's the place there which receives the maximum rainfall of our rainfall in the world. In the world I am talking about. Students, that's all about this chapter, Climate of India. So what you have to do? You have to go through the textbook thoroughly, read the chapter and do the textbook exercises. We will do the further discussion during our online classes. So dear students, stay safe, stay home. Take care then. Bye-bye.